Hey guys, what is going on? The printer guy here, and today I'm going to be doing a print quality test on the Epson EcoTank 4800 model. Now, one of the most important things you will do to print photos on this printer is you're going to use the Epson Smart Panel. It's a Epson app that allows you to select different photos from your album. Now, within the app, you're going to be able to adjust the print settings. That's very important when you're printing photos, using the correct settings. Now, here I'm going to be using some Epson photo paper, and I'm going to be linking that below. But more importantly, I'm going to be linking down below some refill or remanufactured ink for this printer specifically. It's going to be the exact same quality as the Epson branded ink, except it's a much more affordable option. So you can continue to print tons and tons of photos, tons of prints, and you will be able to print at a lower cost per page, lower cost per photo. Now, I do these videos because it allows you to see the print quality. Many times you will see reviews on a printer, but you don't really see it being put into practice as far as not just printing regular prints, but printing actual photos. How does the color come out? What is the quality? What does it look like on different photo paper? And of course, this is one type of photo paper, but you get a good idea of the type of quality that you're going to get with one specific type of photo paper. It leads you to believe that no matter what type of photo paper you use, you're going to get similar quality, similar results, especially if you're using the right settings. Again, that's very important when you're printing photos. Now, are you able to adjust these settings from a PC, for example, if you're connected directly with a USB? Yes, absolutely, you can, but I find it a lot easier to use a smartphone and a smartphone app, specifically this one, the Epson Smart Panel app, because it gets you into all kinds of different settings. Different apps have different accessibilities, and this one has the most accessibility when it comes to selecting the different types of settings that you need to print really great photos. You want high print quality, you want to make sure you're using the right type of, or have selected the right type of media, which means your media selected should not be plain paper, it should be photo paper. I hope in this video you were able to see the print quality for the Epson EcoTank 4800. Consider using refill ink. It's the same exact quality you're going to get as the Epson branded ink, except it's going to be more affordable. There's going to be a link for that down in the description below. Also, when you're printing a lot, you need to make sure you check your maintenance box. Your maintenance box is something that needs to be changed at least every 3 months if you're printing in high volumes. So there's going to be a link for that product down in the description as well. All right, so that's really all I have for now. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.